all this new, almost done construction over here by the Anaheim Stadium. And a bunch of military helicopters just flew over, and they're way out that way. Huge. I'm heading over toward the Village at Orange. I'm going to go check out the new Spirit Halloween. That is in the men's department at the old SEARS. Alright, let's go check out Spirit Halloween. Right, since I'm over here, before we get to the mall, to hit up Spirit Halloween, let me give you an update of this little shopping center down over here that's abandoned. There is a reason why nothing has been built on it, which is right over here. Let's pull over and I'll shoot a little update. This right here, the Schaefer Park Center. Alright, it's parked and I'll give you a little bit of update. This area's been closed for years, and I kind of figured out why they have not built the townhomes or condos on this site, because back in the day there was a dry cleaners and the soil here is not up to par for them to be building anything on this plot right now until they get the soil right. So that's why this area, that's not why it all closed, but they do want to build on this site, but this area's been closed for years. All has to do with the soil. That's why they can't build here yet. Alright, here's some of the drums. I can't make out what it says on those drums, but there's some of the drums. Maybe that's got some of the soil in it. It's over here in the middle of the shopping center over by the Schaefer Education Center. Right, 3 years and 5 months since this SEARS has been closed. It is now Spirit Halloween, and this was the men's department. So let's go inside and let's take a look at what's going on. And they are hiring, but here's the hours of operations. Here's the SEARS.
I know.
Right, man, this is the men's department. Let's look around. Let's see what we got here.
Step right up. Play for free. We've got wicked fun games. And my wickets will make sure you get what's coming to you.
Right, is that it? What do we got on this guy? $279 for this guy right here. $329 for that guy. Let's see what we got in here. Right, pretty much right here with this down the duck deal right here, which is $279. This is right where I used to buy my night shorts. I don't think it's set up. I think you're supposed to push something here, but there's nothing there. There's nothing there. All right, step on some of these and see what happens. $309 for that thing's huge. What do we got here? What's this guy gonna do? For $279. Let's see if he does it.
You make the prize.
Oh, don't turn away now on him. That's not very good for $2.99 there, $2.79 for both. Don't really do too much. This dude's working his magic. And $2.79 for that guy. Oh, what's in here? Shoot. Right, here's where the Levi department was over here. Fitting rooms were over there behind this actual wall on that side. Yeah, Levi's, jeans. There was a cash register pretty much right here. Right here, actually. You can see the dirt on the actual carpet where the check stand was. Alright, they got air pumping in through here, so the backside, when I looked in, like a last video, people were like, oh, what are those vents for in the back? They were white tubes. This is because they're doing their own AC in here versus the actual building. Oh, what's this? A little photo op, I guess. Man, this place has been picked over pretty good. It's only been open for like less than 5 days. Man, Mass Central. You can hear that AC from Spirit Halloween, the portables that are back beyond where I'm at. Nightwear and stuff was over here. Actually, socks were actually right here. That's where you get into the other section where the tools were. Right here was socks and underwear. This was right in here. Man, this is probably from Sears. 6 foot mark to get to the cash register. That is what that was, actually. We got up to here. Like I say, the cash register right here. So what the dirt is on the carpet right here. Right, I don't really shoot these types of videos, so it's all new to me. Let's see this guy.
Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's not. One thing I'll tell you though, it'll do more than rot your teeth out. Yeah, you. I put up the candy. I thought this would be a friend.
This guy gonna come at you or what? 270 bucks. That's it. Well. Oh, this just says watch out. Wants to shake my hand.
I see you.
You probably do.
Can't escape my gaze, so why don't you come a little closer and let's play a game.
What's he gonna do?
If you win, you'll get a prize. If you lose, well, don't say I didn't warn you. I've been watching you for a while now. I hope you don't mind. I like the way you walk. I can't help but follow you around with my gaze. You have a certain bounce in your step. It's just so enticing. Mind if I follow you around for a bit longer?
Oh, I got you. Watch.
Well. You caught my eye. Don't worry, I'm just admiring your costume.
Motion tracking.
Hey, you over there. Yeah, you. I'm giving out some candy.
Check these guys. He's red.
Wait. Red. Come a little closer and try to take some. What do you say?
Beetlejuice, man. This is pretty cool, though. Push the button, don't work. It's pretty rad right here. How much is this? What's he do? Lights up. Alright, let's do this. Let's see if this thing lights up. It's supposed to, but no. Already wore out. Oogie Boogie. Ouija. Watch, she's gonna activate once I walk by. Wants to shake my hand. Yeah, oh yeah, there's a vent right there. South Park. Could be a plumber. No comment. Could be a hippie. Do pirates. Gold tooth. Yeah, not a good era. Oh my gosh. Baby's workout. Could be a escape convict. Fake taser. Let's just try me. Let's see. Well, that worked. The hazmat guy. Yeah. I want these big scissors. It's right here. It's probably a prize, just can't see it. Man, this place has been only open for a week. It's pretty tore up back here. Alright, I suppose it's gonna work. Let's see what happens. Peekabooing. And look at the size of those Chuckies. Huge. Right, let's go check out the actual mall because they're doing a lot of tearing out. Actually back behind over this way where the Carl's Jr. was. But this is the old Sears, man. Old men's department over here at Sears. And that's a huge plush Scooby-Doo right there. There's another one right here. I just can't see prices on this stuff. They're probably there. This is $19.99. What about this one? Yeah, I don't see a price. Guess can't really show you where the fitting rooms were for Sears because that's about where the cash register is. They keep ringing up like a cowbell over there for something. What do we got over here? T-shirt department. Right, here's all the baby stuff when you walk into the left, and right behind that wall is where the men's room, fitting rooms were. The stock room right there goes deep down in there for all the Levi's and stuff that used to be right over here, different jeans and mainly jeans over here in this section when it was a Sears. Right, let's go check out the mall because they are crunching a lot of it out. Back around this way. Right, there's the Spirit Halloween, City of Orange. If you need to come to one, it is open 10 to 10 in the old Sears building. Right, there's a little update of the Village at Orange. They took the siding off of here. I was here when they were taking some of the siding off. I thought this thing would be leveled by now. Let's take a peek at that door. What a trip. Right, they did remove a lot of this because it was actually attached to this here. And they didn't get all that off, which is a trip. They got the electrical box out right here that they just sawzalled, knocked the wall out. Took the electrical box out. They're actually way over there digging a trench so they can build the walls. too, cover up the back of the Sprouts Market over there. That's all that dirt is. Pretty sure they're knocking the wall out way down there though. Check out the J.C. Penney's building. Look at the arches. They're over there chunking away, I'm telling you. Man, that 10X is killing me. That's the J.C. Penney's from when you were inside the mall. I can't tell. Is that a truck inside J.C.? No, it's in front of it. So they're not actually touching the J.C. Penney building. Amazing how clean they are, the way they're doing all this construction over here. Alright, that's over there by the J.C. Penney's building, but I don't understand what this little area is right into here. So there's J.C. Penney's. Maybe that was back where the one of the entrances was way back out. There used to be a nail place right over there, which I think back in the day was actually Busy Bee. Then they did chunk a lot of this out up here. I think that's a little bit different. It's so weird that those lights when you walk in are just still hanging. That thing just hanging in there right there. Just hanging, dangling in the wind. See if the 10X works. Yes, it did, finally. J.C. Penney's. Those weird arches. Somebody keeps saying that was Woolworths. Actually, a few people said that was Woolworths before it was actually J.C. Penney's. But I don't actually remember that, but it probably was. There's an upper view from Red Robin. Looks like they got some beams over there, and this is straight up dirt down and through here. Dude's cruising through there with a little Bobcat. Man, way down there, they did a lot of work. Got all the roofing off back over there. It's just straight wall back on the backside now. Right, let's go back over to the Walmart side. There's the backside of the mall over here by the Walmart. They're testing the fire sprinklers and stuff. All the system, because that's what all this water is right here. Up here comes a ambulance or something back out over here. Let's see. Ambulance number 2 of the day. Right, there's a stack of used plywood. I know there's got to be a secondary market for this, because I did see a truck last time I was over here with beams on the whole back of the semi-flatbed, so there's probably a secondary market for all this. No good angle to see what's up inside here. What's this guy gonna do? Be rad if he crunched the wall out right here, but I guess not. The guy was out of the whatever you call those things. He was over here pulling cables. That was the electrical box. Man, he is right behind here. I think it's too late for them to actually knock that down though. Check out that wall right here. There's more electrical here. That's probably why they haven't got this section out. But look at that. There's the electrical boxes right there. He was just messing around with this one right over here. I don't know if it makes it out, man, but that is a massive pit right there. Those dudes over there are actually doing the trench because they do have to build a wall for the market over there. Yeah, I don't know if it makes it out, but that is one big deep hole right there. It's pretty much where the electrical stuff was. Right, there's the other area where the electrical boxes were. Right, if you got this far in the video and you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. Hope that's all in focus because I hit the 10X. Nothing but rubble. There's the front of the mall, as seen from here in the back. This guy's busting up some concrete. Yeah, he's just moving all the concrete around, trying to bust it up, taking the rebar out of it. The Village, shop and discover the emptiness of the mall. Old entrance, the one that went over there by the J.C. Penney's, and the nail place, or the old Busy Bees. Right down that little pathway right there. Nothing left but a wall. Right, I didn't notice this was all gone too. This is the back side of the mall, right next to the J.C. Penney's building. There's one little sliver of wall left over here, which goes a little bit into those bushes, which is actually right there. That's the only thing left of that wall in the back. Then there's the graffiti on the other side of that wall. Would have been the Ross sign, and that little electrical box where the graffiti at is for that old Ross sign. That's actually inside where the Carl's Jr. used to be right there. Then it was the recruiting center. That's that section right there. Man. Still don't have a clue exactly what's going to be going back here, though. Look at this. That is crazy. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Man, that is the front of the mall right over there. Crazy.